Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a Focus Friday video, and through the month of July we're focusing on background stamps, large stamps, and how different ways we can use them. So today I'm using a background stamp just in its entirety to give a background. So we've looked at ghost stamping, where we've used background stamps to give, just a small effect in the background, and we've used large stamps, background stamps, to be our focal image. Now we're using it just as our background. So the stamps that I've chosen is this one called Rays of Light, and you can see it's set up here in the Stamparatus, and I've got a piece here of basic white cardstock, and we're going to give this a really good ink up, as you don't want to miss. You want to make sure everything is properly inked, you haven't missed anything. And then lay it down and give it a really good, I give it a thump, so excuse the noise. Check, give it another ink up just to be on the safe side. And down again. I'm sure I'm catching all of the areas. There we go. So there is our background. So let me clean this up and we'll continue. So I've all cleaned up and I've put a new stamp in the Stamparatus, and it's Happy Birthday here from Go To Greetings. I love this set. And we're going to stamp in Polished Pink. So I wanted a really bold and fun card. So let's give that a good press. A bit more of a press than I wanted, so let's try the other side. Yeah, that's fine. So give this a little clean up now. So I've got ink everywhere as always. Can't help it, it just happens. Okay, take this out, get rid of our Stamparatus. Bring in our trimmer, and we are going to cut out first our panel here. So let's see, I want a little bit off the base here. I'm just doing this by eye. Let's see, a little bit off here, just like that. And then I think I want to trim a tiny amount off the side here, like that. And then let's see, I'll trim a little bit off here as well. Okay, so there we have our panel. So now where's our sentiment? We're going to trim this as well. And this I'm just going to do using my trimmer as a guide to keep everything as straight as I can. Because obviously I don't have a straight line on this piece of scrap. Let's see, a bit off there. As you can see, I'm not being very precise, I'm not measuring anything, I should say. I think I want a little bit more off the top. Okay, what do you think? Not too bad. So let's get rid of all of these bits. And then I've got a piece here of scrap, whatchamacallit, polished pink cardstock, that's it. And we're just going to map this, our sentiment on this. Okay. I'm just going to do it like that, and I'm just going to cut it out freehand. Like that. Perfecto. Okay, so let's start assembling. Card base is also polished pink. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of basic white, and this is just going to be our insert. So let's do that. And then we're going to stick this down on the front. Okay, something like that. And then this piece I think we're going to pop up on some dimensional, so let's do that. Okay. And if you're liking this video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. It really does help. And I should say, I also have an online card club where we'd have a monthly kit and we craft together via Facebook Live. So do come and check that out. It's all in my Facebook group. So we can enjoy lots of crafty fun, and we do challenges and all sorts of fun stuff. So there you go. And I've got some of these rhinestones. Now last time I used a few of these. I think I used the small ones this time, but I've cut my sentiment a bit smaller than last time, so hey, come back. You can't run away. And there we go, one final rhinestone in its position. So there we have our cards. What do you think? As I said, if you do like them, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps me on YouTube. Thank you for watching. As I said, if you want information about the card, measurements, supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.